Good morning, students. I welcome you all for today's class. Today our topic is teamwork. Today our topic is teamwork. Before starting the poem, shall we see the author introduction now, children? Shall we see now? Author introduction, Edgar Albert Guest. Began his illustrious career in 1895 at the age of 14 when his work first appeared in the Detroit Free Press. Illustrious, underline the word and write down the meaning, famous and successful. Actually, he started his career at the age of 14, okay, when his work first appeared in Detroit Free Press. His column was syndicated in over 300 newspapers and he came to be known as the poet of the people. He came to be known as what? The poet of the people. Guest was made poet laureate of making the only poet to have been awarded the title poet laureate. Underline the word laureate. Laureate is a person who is honored with an award for outstanding creative or intellectual achievement. Laureate. Here I'll write the meaning. Laureate, a person who is honored with an award. Kindly make a note of it, children. With an award for outstanding creative or intellectual achievement. So, meaning of laureate. Laureate, a person who is honored with an award for outstanding creative or intellectual achievement. It is called as what? Laureate. Poet laureate of Michigan. The only poet to have been awarded the title. His poems often had an inspirational and optimistic view of everyday life. Optimistic. Underline the word optimistic. Write down the meaning, I'll tell you. Write down. Expecting, E-X-P-E-C-T-I-N-G. Expecting good things to happen. Expecting good things to happen. Optimistic. Optimistic. Expecting good things to happen. For example, I'll tell you, I have applied for the job, but I'm not very optimistic that I will get, that I'll expect something, the good news will come, but I'm not sure about. So that is called as what? Optimistic. Expecting good things to happen. Dear children. So now I hope you understand this author. Shall we enter into the poem, children? Again, we'll see the topic. What is our topic now? Topic is teamwork. So, do you like to work and play with others, children? Yes, of course, everybody likes to play with our friends. Yes, some children are there, they don't like to play with others. They will not allow others to play with them. But dear children, don't do that. You just play with your friends. Teamwork is very important, and if you play with others, if you play with your friends, the ability, okay, so the helping tendency and ability, courage, everything will automatically come. So, dear children, The teamwork is very important. What is the meaning of teamwork? We have to know the meaning of teamwork, no dear children. So the teamwork is the ability of people to work teamwork, the ability of people to work together. It's called as what? Teamwork. The ability of people to work together. It's called as what? Teamwork. So, shall we enter into the poem? Okay. What is the most essential quality required to win the game? Given below. It's all very well to have courage and skill, and it's fine to be counted a star. But the single deed with its touch of thrill doesn't tell the man you are. For there is no lone hand in the game we play. We must work to a bigger scheme, and the thing that counts in the world today is how do you pull with the team? They may sound your praise and call you great. They may single you out for fame, but you must work with your running mate or you will never win the game. Oh, never the work of life is done by the man with a selfish dream. For the battle is lost or the battle is won by the spirit of the team. You may think it fine to be praised for skill, but a greater thing to do is to set your mind and set your will on the goal that is just in view. It's helping your fellow man to score when his chances hopeless seem. It's forgetting self till the game is over and fighting for the team. So very interesting, very good poem. Teamwork. Teamwork, again I'll say the meaning, the ability of people to work together. It's called as what? Teamwork. Okay. So, the poem explanation we'll see now. First, 1 and 2 line we'll see first. It's all very well to have courage and skill, and it is fine to be counted a star. It's good to have courage. Courage is what? Bravery. Courage is what? Bravery. Skill, it's a talent. Okay. So, if we want to win, we need bravery and talent. Okay. So, it's very important, and it's fine to be counted a star. Everybody likes that I want to win and I have to get a first rank. I will not leave other fellow mates to get first rank. I am the one. I have to get the first rank. So all the spirit, courage, talent. You can show your talent when you are in the teamwork, when you are in your fellow mates. Clear? So, because you are in the class and out of 60, 70 students, your spirit that you have to show your talent, that I have to win. So it's fine to be counted a star in the sense that it's fine, but the teamwork is very important. Clear? So if you are in the teamwork, if you are in your class alone, that spirit is very important. Then only the spirit it will come. Clear? So, but the single deed with its touch, with its touch of thrill does not tell the man you are, but the thrilling single act does not tell anyone your abilities. 5th and 6th. So, first 4 lines again we'll see. It's all very well to have courage and skill, and it's fine to be counted a star. When we work together as a team, we become strong. We become strong, and then it is easy to achieve the common goal. It is good to have courage and talent to achieve something. It is also fine to be counted as a star. Next. But the thrilling single act does not tell anyone your abilities. In a game we play, there is no single hand, because if you take cricket, 11 members it's needed. Yes, you know that. So if you take cricket and hockey, football, we need how many members? 11 members. Yes. So the teamwork, when they work for their team alone, the team members, 11 team members are there. So the achievement and the win, it goes to their team. So they fight for their team, that their team has to win. So the teamwork is very important. That spirit is very important. In the game we play, there is no single hand. We must work with a team, helping and coordinating with others in the team to achieve something. We must work with a team, helping and coordinating with others in the team to achieve something. So next line. For there is no lone hand in the game we play. We must work to a bigger scheme. There is no single hand in the game we play. All of us as a team should work to a bigger plan or aim. There is no single hand in the aim we play. All of us as a team should work to a bigger plan or aim. So 7 and 8 lines. And the thing that counts in the world today is how do you pull with the team. The thing that matter in the world today is how do you get along with your teammates. How do you pull with the team? How do you get along with your teammates? In a game we play, there is no single hand. We must work with a team, helping and coordinating with others in the team to achieve something. Sometimes people praise you, can you grade and single you out for fame. But you must work with your teammate or you will never win the game. If you cooperate, if you give your attention, if you give your cooperation to your team member alone, that whole team will win. Otherwise, it will never win. Clear? So, your work of life is never done with your selfish dream. There, the selfish dream never has to come. The coordination is very important for the team. And a battle, if the battle, the war, it will come, if it is lost or it will be won, that is not a matter, but the coordination is very important to give the winning to your team. Clear? So next, they may sound your praise and call you great, they may single you out for fame. Sometimes people may praise you, call you great, and they may give you special attention from others for fame, glory. What is the meaning of fame? Glory. So next line, but 11th and 12th line, but you must work with your running mate or you will never win the game. But you must work with your teammates. Your cooperation is very important for your teammates, otherwise your team will never win the game. So everybody whoever there in their team, everybody had to give their cooperation, attention, courage, spirit, everything for the team to win. Oh, never the work of life is done by the man with a selfish dream. Your work of life is never done with your selfish desire. The selfish dream will there the selfish dream will never done. Okay, never done with your selfish dream. There selfish should not be there in the teammate, because the cooperation is very important, coordination is very important. For the battle is lost or the battle is won by the spirit of the team. A battle is a war, a battle can be won or lost by the spirit of the team. Okay, that is also the spirit of the team. If they won or everybody cannot be won. Okay, so if they are won or lost, that is the spirit of their team, but your coordination is very important for the team. If they all work together in that team, definitely the team will win. So you may think it fine to be praised for skill, but a greater thing to do. You may think it is fine to be praised by others for your talent, but a greater thing you should do than this. For example, if you have a talent in something, but you have to train your team members also. Okay, because the coordination is very important. Not only it is not a single one, because the team in the sense that 11 or 12 members, 11 members are there in the cricket and football and hockey. There are 11 members. Everybody has to know how to win. So the talent, if you have the talent, you have to train the other team members. You have to train your friends also to win the game. So that spirit is very important. Coordination spirit is very important. The author is saying that coordination spirit is very important to win the game. So for that we need teamwork. So is to set your mind and set your will on the goal that is just in view. You should set your mind. You should set your mind. Definitely you have to set your mind, and you have to train your members also. Train your friends also. You have to set your mind and you will on the goal that is in front of you. The aim that is your view. The aim that is in your view. It is helping your fellow man to score when his chances hopeless seem. This goal is helping your fellow men to score more when his chances seems to be hopeless, giving him a helping hand. If you lost the game, okay, you have to tell that the next game we can play and win. So that the helping hand also, it is increasing when we work together. It is also helping hand, it is also very important. Everybody never wins. So if you lose the game, you have to train, you have to tell your fellow mates not to worry about that. The next team we will win. We have to work hard, and this mistake we did, and the next time we should not do this again. So if we rectify these things, then definitely our team will win the next time. You have to say to your friends. So the helping tendency is very important, the team. It's forgetting self till the game is over and fighting for the team. It is also forgetting about your selfishness, okay, and fighting for the team till the game is. This is not a single hand. That is the we have to work hard for the team. So that helping tendency, everything will automatically come. That selfish will never come. Yeah. So it's a line by line explanation we saw, children. So the summary I want to tell you. So listen here. The most essential quality to win the game is teamwork. Teamwork is what? What is the meaning of teamwork, children? The ability of people to work together is what? Teamwork. So the most essential quality to win the game is teamwork. When we work together as a team, we become strong and then it is easy to achieve the common goal. When we work together as a team, we become more strong and have more confidence. Clear? It's very important. When we work together as a team, we become more strong and have more confidence. There is no single hand in a game we play. We must work with a team. Helping and coordinating with others in the team to achieve something in our life. Only then we will win and achieve great success. Okay. I hope you understand this poem and we'll see book back exercises here. So before that we'll see the glossary. Meanings: deed, act, achievement, and scheme. It's a plan. What is the meaning of scheme? Plan, fame, glory, mate, companion, partner, spirit, will, determination, courage, braveness, skill, talent, thrill, excitement, lone, single you, giving special attention, sound, express. So next, read the poem aloud and book back exercises we'll see, page number 99. Read the poem aloud and fill in the wheel with its rhyming pair. Also try giving your own rhyming words. One is done for you already. We know what is rhyming word, yes? So here we'll find out the running words. Rhyming words here. Trill, drill. And the example they have given here. Trill, drill here, and the skill already it's there. Skill here, great is here, mate. You just see the poem, okay? So the poem, it's there in the rhyming words. Mate, fate, great. Next, scheme. Scheme already it's there in your book. And two more we have to find out. What is that? Team, beam. And here, do, view, S-E-W. So next, star or car. Here, play, day, way, done, one, gun. Okay, this is the rhyming pair. Next, fill in the table. Contraction is a shortened form of a word or group of words with the omitted letters, often replaced in written English by an apostrophe. Okay, so contraction is a shortened form of a word or group of words with the omitted letters. See, it's so here I letter it is omitted. Okay, instead of that I, we have to use the apostrophe. Clear? The example they have given here. So doesn't, So doesn't, which letter is omitted here, children? O. So does not. This is called as contraction. There is, I letter is omitted here. There is, is, there is. You will, W. U, W, I, L, L, you will. That's, that is, that is. Doesn't. Here, does not. Next, there is. Here, you will. We have to give the shortened form for that. You will. That is. That is. I have. Here, the shortened form. I have. So next, he had. You just see the last letter and find out which letter has omitted here and write that he apostrophe D. So he had. Aren't or not. Next, he has. He apostrophe S. He has. Won't. Would not. W-O-U-L-D. Would not. N-O-T. Can't. Cannot. Can't. So this is called as what mark? Contraction. So next, answer the following question is there. Read the lines and answer the question given below. So this, when I give the notes, I'll give you everything. Okay. So again, one more time before ending this, I would like to tell you the story, tell you the summary of this teamwork. So listen carefully. This is recap. Okay. The most essential quality to win the game is teamwork. When we work together as a team, we become strong, then it is easy to achieve the common goal. When we work together as a team, we become more strong and have more confidence. There is no single hand in the game we play. We must work with a team, helping and coordinating with others in the team to achieve something in our life. Only then we will win and achieve great success. Okay, children, teamwork. Now you understand this. It's very important, teamwork is. So, answer the following question, everything. When I send the notes, I'll give you, okay? Thank you, children. We'll see in the next video. Thank you.